Hello guys, in this video we are gonna create a actual integration with WordPress and Zapier. So in this video I'll teach you how to integrate Zapier with WordPress. So let's get right into it. So here is pretty simple. Go to Zapier and then go to WordPress integrations. So integrations right here, you can connect WordPress to 7,000 apps. So let's just say we want ChatGPT. So ChatGPT, you will choose a trigger. So when this happens, so let's just say when someone actually, let's look for something. Let's see. So when a new post comes or a new post is created, ChatGPT will update the post, something like this, or create the user. Let's see. Let's actually analyze the text sentiment, conversion, classify text, or let's see, summarize text or send prompt, or we can actually create a translate. There, that's very efficient. So when we create a new post and it's, let's say it's in our local language, let's say it's actually Spanish, and then we can create a translation for that post that we have right here, and it will translate to English and other languages that we suppose we want to. So the first steps you'll have to do is connect your WordPress and ChatGPT, and then you'll be able to do it. So new post, create translation, and you can add one more step if you want to. So here the new post in WordPress is first you'll have to set up, you'll choose the app, then here the trigger event is going to be the new post, and you'll have to connect your WordPress account. Then you can configure it and test it out right here. Next is ChatGPT, same thing. You'll have to have the app, which is ChatGPT, the action event, which is the translation that we're just going to do, and we have to connect it with ChatGPT for this to work. Then from there we can fine tune and configure both WordPress and ChatGPT and test them out if it both works. It's really just that simple to use your Zapier to actually make your own integration with WordPress. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.